Hi, I'm Britt with Lumitec, and today I wanted to talk to you about some of the do's and don'ts of handling the Moray Flex Light when you're first installing it on your boat. Now, no matter what size you get of the Moray, it's always going to come in the same size box in the same plastic tray. So also included in the box is going to be a one-page instruction sheet. You want to read this fully, a lot of good information on there, a lot of stuff you're going to need to know for installing it. You're also going to find in here a mounting kit. This is the hardware you're going to need to clip the Moray into place. It's custom made for the size of the Moray, so we highly encourage you to use this instead of any kind of DIY solution when clipping the Moray into its install location. So a lot of people's instinct when they first unpackage the Moray is to grab it by one end, either the wire or the front end of the Moray, pull it out this way so it spirals out. We want to encourage you not to do this because it can bend the Moray in the way it wasn't intended to be bent in. And that gives a potential of tearing the circuit inside. So instead of that, we're going to grab it as one whole piece and lift it out so it stays in the spiral it was shipped in, move it out of the package, and get rid of the plastic tray. So as you're unraveling it, you want to keep it in the plane of the light emitting surface. You can identify the light emitting surface as the opaque or the semi-translucent side. The other sides are going to be white, the same color. The light emitting side is going to be a slightly different color. So a few additional points when handling the Moray. You don't want to bend it in what we would call the vertical bend orientation, would be this way or that way. It's going to resist moving that way. You're going to tear the circuit if you force it. You don't want to twist it, kind of like I'm doing here. This is another way to potentially tear the circuit inside. And if you're installing a length over 6 feet, we recommend you use 2 people to install because one person can find it difficult to manage a Moray of that length or longer. So that's all we had for you today. Thank you for watching.